Hi guys, I've purchased 10 packs of Mark Spears Monsters, the Monster and the Wolf, Trick or Treat Blind Bag, first issue from Kinsport. I purchased 10 of these and I want to try my luck. This is the behind. Beware Doom Soul. Skeletons, you are unleashing monsters. Okay, it's cool. Really like this packaging. It's really cool packaging. I'm not hoping for any super rare variants. I heard that they are almost like there are more than like 80 or 70 variants out there. I'm just hoping for no duplicates actually. I will be carefully cutting off all these packets. Okay, I think it would take quite some time to cut off. I need to be careful of not cutting off the book itself. And it's under here. Okay, let's see what's the first one I get. I'm still cutting it. It's quite troublesome. Yeah, damn, finally. Let's pull out. Chill out. Yukio. Okay. Let's see. There's so many plenty of variants out here. Wow. Nice. Looks cool. The Monster and the Wolf. 4 of the Universal Monsters heads up the walls while Dracula is here sitting there happily. Oh, I got this. Cover A14. Yeah, because it's not a foil, so it's a 14. If it's a foil, it will be 44. Then I hope I can get at least one foil or what. Nice, it's a nice start because it's not a duplicate. Well, because it's my first one, so it will definitely not be a duplicate, right? Okay, I think I need to cut out a little bit faster right now, or else the video will be very super long. Nice. Let's see what I get. Oh yeah, nice. Nice. Wow, what's this? Frankenstein and the pumpkin. Looks cool. Which cow is this? Okay, 15. Get a 15. A15. But just beside. Maybe I'll get a 16. No, I mean a 61. Thanks. Okay, so far it's still happy. Still great. Gonna speed up this process. Maybe I can do a video editing to speed this up. Okay. Let's have something different. Oh yeah. Cool. What's this? It's the man with an axe. Damn. What cover is this? It's 24. A24. It's nice, man. So far, so good. Let's go. I want to try like bursting it out, right? because I already got like 3 cut nicely. So let's have something different. Well, it's a bit hard to pull here. Wow, yeah! Damn! I like this cover, man. This cover is something looks like the second issue reprint. And the second issue reprint, I didn't get it. It's pricey a little bit. Yeah, let's see which cover is this. I can't find it. Oh, 9. It's an A9. Cool. So far I got 15, 14, 24 and 9. Okay. I like this cover. So far the most. Yup, so far I like this the most. So I'll have 6 more. 6 more to go. Yukio. Okay. Nice. Cool, let's go. Yeah, something different. But this cover is kind of boring, I don't know why. Just showing Frankenstein. A big hit of Frankenstein. Yeah, I just decided to show a little bit of interiors. Damn. So nice. This is one of the only, I mean not one of the only, but I mean it's rare to have the same artist, same style for the cover and the interior. And that's nice. Let's go. So far no duplicates. Let's keep it up. Pull this off, yeah. Bam! Ooh, it's a different one. Max Pierce Monsters, Freaky Frank. Well, this is a different one, but didn't really like this cover. Looks kind of childish. Let's see, I got a 24, 27 just now. And this one is a 29. 29. Okay, so far so good. Since there's no duplicates, I already opened like 6. I just have, damn, I just have 4 more. So let's hope we have something different, something shiny or what. Hoping. I mean, it's hard to get, yeah, but we can have some hopes, right? Okay, I'm cutting this very fast, man. Let's go. Oh, yeah, I like this. Damn, this is nice. Tales of Terror and Suspense. The Monster and the Wolf. Damn, I like this cover. Here's looking at you, darling, on our happy anniversary. Sorry, can't read. Happy anniversary. Damn, I like this cover, man. So cool. This is the, I think this is my favorite cover right now. Second will be the one I mentioned just now. But he got to be the second already. go. Okay. Oh yes, something different. It's 16, right? Pumpkin, yeah, air 16. Whoa, I'm getting all the 10, 10, 14, 15, 16. Just now it's 18. I hope to get 17. 17 looks nice. Whoa, what's this? The balloon is covering his parts. What the heck? Oh yeah, 72. You see, 72 is the second issue reprints, I believe. And the 72 is kind of similar with the 9, which I get just now. I don't know if you can see it now, but yeah, that's cool. So far so good. I just have 2 more left. This one I want to like burst it out. Yeah, let's go. Oh yeah, open like this. Please, something different. Okay, I touched the cover and I know what it is. Oh shit. I got a duplicate already. And the duplicate of not a really fun cover. But yeah, it's fine, it's fine. Please, the last one. Okay, I can feel that it's a bit different, right? It's the last one, so I need to do it more politely. Yeah. Let's please have something different. Please, please, please. Let's see there. Oh shit! I got a foil! What the fuck? Damn! Oh my god! Damn, I got a foil! Wow! Holy shit! Wow, I got a foil. That's awesome! And this foil looks really nice, man. You see this? I mean, it's really hard to see this in the, you know. But damn, this looks nice. This is the cover of 19. So actually I'm getting all the 10, 10, you know. So I'm getting 14, 15, 16, 18, 19. It's like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yeah. Oh, sorry. 10, 9, 10. Oh, actually, there are a few that I really wanted to get. For example, like cover the A3, 4, 5. But I didn't get any of them. Kind of sad. I want to get 26 too. 26. 28 looks nice also. 12, definitely 12. And yeah, 19 and 18 is one of my in one of my lists. So I got them already. It's cool. And 17 I really want it. 17 looks really nice, but yeah, damn. And glow in the dark. I want to get glow in the dark. 69 is the best, I guess. 69, 70. And yeah. Oh my god, this 74, 75, 71, 72 is cool. And all these, you know, Night of the Living Dead covers. I didn't get any of them. That's kind of sad. And the secret covers. Definitely I didn't get any of them. But yeah. No mind. At least I got a foil, right? Now. Wow! Shit! I didn't know foil looks differently from behind. I didn't actually have a foil comic book before. Because they're kind of pricey. So yeah. Damn. I appreciate it. So this is my favorite cover so far. I mean, from the 10 that I have, okay? So thank you guys for watching this. Bye bye.